Hi, welcome back. Myself K.K. Singh, and in the sequence of MCQs and AISSCE Computer Science and Informatics Practices paper. So I have been giving you some MCQs on different topics of computer science or informatics practices. So in the same sequence, today I am going to discuss some descriptive questions on computer networks. So let's so these descriptive questions may be of uh, 1 mark and 2 marks maximum, and one is case study which is of 5 marks. So this time the questions which I am going to discuss are of 2 marks. So what are those questions and how to answer them? So we'll study here. So the first question which I would like to tell you, what is a computer network? This is the prevalent question, an important question, and the question every student should know. And what should be the answer of this question? So the answer of this question should be: a computer network is a collection of interconnected computers and other communication devices which are able to communicate with each other and share the resources. This is basically computer network. Means network of the networks is your computer network when multiple computers are connected together to share the resource and information. Now next question is: explain the terms ARPANET, NSFNet, PAN, LAN, MAN, WAN, HTTP, FTP, PPP, SMTP, TCP/IP, POP3, HTTPS, Telnet, YWWW, HTML, and XML URL. So as far as full forms are concerned, these terms the student should know. So what are the expansions of these words I'm giving you here? So the answer of these expansions is: ARPANET means Advanced Research Projects Agency Network, NSFNet National Science Foundation Network, PAN Personal Area Network, LAN Local Area Network, MAN Metropolitan Area Network, WAN Wide Area Network, HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol, FTP File Transfer Protocol, PPP is Point to Point Protocol, SMTP Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, TCP/IP Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol, POP3 Post Office Protocol version 3, HTTP is Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, HTML Hypertext Markup Language, XML Extensible Markup Language, URL is Uniform Resource Locator. So these are the full forms of these abbreviations. Now next question: what is VoIP? Very important question. What is VoIP? Means voice over internet protocol. So is a technology that allows voice communication and multimedia sessions to be transmitted over the internet or other IP based networks. So this is VoIP. Next question is: what out of the following will you use to have an audio visual chat with an expert sitting in far away place to fix up a technical issue? Email, VoIP, or FTP? So the correct answer of this question should be simply VoIP, voice over internet protocol. Now next question is: give one suitable example of each: URL and domain name. So the answer of this question, one can write URL could be like parikshasangam.cbsc.gov.in /ps /home.html. So this is basically the URL. And what is the domain? Here domain name is parikshasangam.cbsc.gov.in. Okay, so you should note the difference between URL and the domain name. Next question is, what is the difference between domain name and IP address? So a domain name is a human readable address used to access websites on the internet. It typically consists of name like CBC in my URL and domain suffix like .com, .org, .net and so on. And an IP address is unique numerical label assigned to every device or each device such as server or computer connected to the internet. Write two advantages of using an optical fiber cable over an Ethernet cable to connect two service stations which are 190-meter away from each other. Suppose we have to write the advantages of using an internet fiber cable over an Ethernet cable to connect two service stations which are 190-meter away from each other. So what should be the suitable answer of this question? So optical fiber cable provides the higher bandwidth, number one, and that is why this is the advantage over the Ethernet cable. And second one is optical fiber cable is immune to electromagnetic waves. So when immunity is concerned, so optical fiber cable is immune to electromagnetic interface, and that is why this is the advantage. These are the advantages of fiber optic cable over the Ethernet cable. Question number 8: which type of network out of LAN, PAN, MAN is formed when you connect two mobiles using Bluetooth to transfer a picture file? So this is a very simple question and one can answer very easily. And the answer is PAN, Personal Area Network. Next question: differentiate between FTP and HTTP. So the suitable answer is FTP is basically file transfer protocol, works on client server architecture and is used to transmit files among different hosts. Whereas HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol, works on client server architecture and is used to transfer web pages between a client and a server. So these are the questions, this kind of questions you may see in your question paper, and this is the way how you can answer those questions. So hope you like this tutorial so that uh, you can practice accordingly. So in my next video I'll share more questions over uh, computer network, and these questions will be on descriptive or description based or subjective questions. That's all for the day, so we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.